I'm discussing Isro 2017 December session paper. The set is D. Question number is 36. In this question, they have given in CAD. CAD means computer aided drawing. So geometric transformation is expressed as P star is equals to matrix of T into P, where T is the transformation. They are saying that T is the transformation matrix here, and matrix T is a diagonal matrix. Then the transformation is called translation, reflection, rotation, or scaling. First, we need to know what are these first we have to know which out of this what are these transformation, geometric transformation. We have to understand each by each term. So let us proceed with the term translation. Okay. What is translation? So translation is just a movement. Suppose you have taken this point. This is a coordinate system y, x. This is one point. Suppose, or suppose this is a line. Suppose I am taking this as line. Okay. This point is x. This point is y. Suppose I have moved this point to here. This has become y dash, and this point to here. This has become x dash. So this is called translation. Okay. So we can represent this translation with the help of a matrix. Okay. So this is given by for the new transformation matrix. So new transformation matrix, it is denoted as x dash, y dash, and suppose if it is a 3D figure, so there will be three parts, x, y, and z, means three axes will be there. So this will be x dash, y dash, z dash, 1 equals to this will be some transformation matrix that is given by 1 0 0 tx. Tx is the amount by which we have translated in x direction. Okay. This is the amount by which we have translated in y direction. This is the amount by which we have translated in z direction. So now we have got 4 cross 4 matrix. This is what? This is our 4 cross 1 matrix. This is 4 cross 4 matrix. And here we will be having initial coordinates. That will be x, y, z, 1. This is again 4 cross 1 matrix. So if you multiply this, you will get 4 cross 1 matrix, which is this one. So it is represented in this way. If you look in this figure, this matrix, you will get to know these are called diagonal elements. Okay. But this is not a diagonal matrix. They wanted to know that they have said that T is the diagonal matrix. Okay, this T is the diagonal matrix. But here we can see this is T, but this is not a diagonal matrix, because for diagonal matrix, the condition is that the except diagonal elements, all the other elements should be 0. The diagonal elements can also be 0, but the rest of the elements other than diagonal should always be 0. Like 2 0 0, 0 3 0, 0 0 4. This I can take it as a diagonal matrix, because diagonal elements are present while all the other elements are 0. 2 0 0 0 0, suppose 0 0 0 3. This is also a diagonal matrix, because for diagonal matrix the diagonal elements can be 0 or non-zero, but the other elements should always be 0. The other elements, this and this, these are other elements other than diagonal. So these elements should always be 0. So this is the condition for diagonal matrix. So this has not satisfied the condition for diagonal matrix. So translation cannot be our answer. Okay. Let's move to the next option. Let's move to the option number D. Scaling. What is scaling? Suppose scaling means, suppose I am taking this as coordinate yx. Suppose I am taking a small figure, this figure. If you are increasing the size of this figure, okay, so previously it was this figure only, but now you have increased the size of this figure. This is called scaling. And scaling means to reduce the size or to increase the size of the figure. This is called scaling. So if you want to represent that in matrix form, so it can be represented as x dash, y dash, z dash 1 equals to, I am taking 3D transformation only. This is 3D, okay, because there are 3 axes, x, y, z. So this will be sx 0 0 1 0 xy 0, this will be 0 only. This is 0 0 x z 0. This will be 0 0 0 and 1. This should be x y z and 1. So this is again 4 cross 1 matrix. This is 4 cross 4 matrix. This is 4 cross 1 matrix. Now look at the diagonal elements. See, the diagonal elements are present, while all the other elements, they are all 0. So this is a diagonal matrix, and they wanted to know, and they have said that this transformation matrix, this is a transformation matrix only. They said that this transformation matrix is a diagonal matrix. So scaling is a possible answer for our given question. So let us check the other options also. Scaling is one of the possible options. Let us check the other options. So let me rub this portion. Let us look at the rotation. Okay, rotation. See, rotation of some body, it can be about 3 axes. It can be about the x-axis, it can be about y-axis, or it can be about the z-axis. Okay. So if suppose a body is being rotated about the x-axis, about x-axis, I'm writing about x-axis, the transformation, I'm directly writing the transformation matrix. Okay, this is represented by x dash, y dash, z dash and 1. it will be given as cos theta minus sin theta 0, 0. This is sin theta. This is cos theta 0, 0. Okay, let us first write about the z-axis. Okay, z-axis, not x-axis. I am writing about the z-axis. So in that case, it's given by this 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is x, y, z, and 1. Look at this figure, means this matrix. If you look at this matrix, if you see this diagonal elements are present, but the remaining elements are, some of the elements are 0, but this part and this part may not be 0. So we cannot say this is a diagonal matrix. It can be diagonal matrix only when sin theta is 0, and we know that sin theta will be 0 at when theta is equals to 0 degree, or it can be pi, 2 pi, like that. So this cannot be diagonal matrix every time. It can be diagonal matrix some of the times. So this is not the correct answer. So rotation cannot be possible, means the rotation is not our required answer. Okay. See rotation about the x-axis also. This is just for the information. We come to know that rotation will not be our answer, but still for information you can look at this matrix, because it may be asked in some other exams. You need to find the rotation, okay, the rotation of some line or maybe rotation of some figure. So you need to remember this formula. This is cos theta sin theta 0. This is 0 sin theta. Here it is minus, okay. This is cos theta 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay. Yes. This is x, y, z and 1. So this is also not a diagonal matrix, you can see. And rotation about y-axis, if you want to see. If I am rotating the figure or the geometry about the y-axis, so it's given by x dash, y dash, z dash, the new transformation matrix, the new coordinates of that object will be given as this is the transformation matrix what I am writing just now. This is 0, this is sin theta, this is 0, okay, this is 0, 1, 0, 0, minus sin theta, 0, cos theta, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. X, Y, Z and 1. This is again not a diagonal matrix. So after looking at all the options, we come to know that only D option is our required answer, because from D option means when we have the condition of scaling, only in that condition this the transformation matrix will be the diagonal matrix. So this is the correct answer. So if you have any queries regarding any part of this question, please mention us in the comment section. We are free to reply to your every possible queries. Thank you, friends.